Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I will show you 2 ways to find your deleted Chrome history on your laptop. First, let us look at the standard history log. Open Chrome, click the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner, hover over History, and click the History link to open the main log page. If you have already wiped this dashboard using the Clear Browsing Data button, you can recover your trail from your backup archive. Open your browser, go to google.com, and ensure you are signed into your main profile, then click on your picture and select Search History, or go directly myactivity.google.com. Google automatically archives all your web interactions here as long as your history settings are enabled. Scroll down to review your timeline, or use the filter features to sort by date and product tags. You can click the calendar tool to pull up your past activity from a specific date. And that is it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I will see you in the next one.